student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, now I am going to teach a new topic, separation of mixture. How we separate the mixture, what is their method. So student, in the last video, we have already discussed the mixture, the different type, like solid mixture, solid liquid mixture, liquid mixture, okay? And different mixture, different technique to how we can remove it. Okay, so student, our first topic is the separation of solid mixture. Means when two or more solid substance mix up together, then how become separate. So student, the different technique. Suppose that like a hand picking, when your mother start to make rice, so before cook the rice, if suppose that some stone or some insect or some chaff are present in the rice, then how your mother removes such things? By hand picking. कैसे निकालती है? निकालते ना ऐसे hand picking करके. This is the hand picking process. So chaff and stone is the solid. Rice also solid. Okay. So we become separate the by hand picking. Next one is the like sieving. Student, how when before start to make chapati, first we become add water in the flour. So when we become before adding the water, first we become separate the flour from the chaff. Some big particles, while feed some big particles are present. So first we become separate it because we need a fine flour. That's why we become separate. How? By the sieving. Is the like winnowing. Student, after when our grain become ready, so how the our farmer separate the chaff and grass from the grains? By winnowing. Have you seen or not? A person become take something in the basket, and after that when wind become blowing, then they become raised like this. Then the heavier particle becomes settled down here like this. And suppose that this is the box which contains the grains. So when wind become blowing, then the grain become collected here and chaff removed here. Yes or no? So this is the winnowing process. Next one is the magnetic separation. Such things are useful in two type of mixture when one substance is attracted by the magnet, like student, iron and sulfur. Iron and sulfur. See, student, iron. You know iron powder is the black dawn powder and sulfur is the yellow color. So when you take a china dish and in the china dish you add the iron and sulfur and mix up together. Then the question is how we become separate? We take one magnet, bars of magnet, put in the china dish and start to roll. Okay? The result, all the magnet, all the iron particles attracted by the magnet. And after that, we become scratch all the iron from the magnet. Okay, student? So such technique become used when one thing is attracted by the magnet. Okay, student? So there are different technique. We become separate the solid from solid. Unwanted solid material from the wanted some material. Same thing, student. Sublimation. Student, when two substance mix up together, solid substance, but condition is when the substance directly change from solid to gas, because you know when the state become change solid to liquid to gas, but some things when you can give the temperature, it directly change from solid to gas or gas to solid. This process is known as the sublimation. You know, friend, give some example like camphor, ammonium chloride, dry ice, naphthalene, anthracene, camphor. These are the some things which directly change from solid to gas. Have you seen the camphor? Have you seen your house? When camphor start the burning, it directly change from solid to gas without changing the liquid form. So such process is known as the sublimation. Okay, and the substance which shows such type of property is known as the sublime. Is known as the sublime substance. So students, see is the one operators. First is arrange all the things according to the figure. See student, this is the glass funnel, this is the china dish, this is the wire gauge, this is the tripod stand, and this is a Bunsen burner. First student, we put one wire gauge over the tripod stand, and after that we put a china dish. In the china dish, we take the mixture of sodium chloride and the camphor. You know sodium chloride, जो नमक खाते हैं हम लोग, वही नमक और कैम्फर का मिक्सचर ले लेंगे. And after that we put the glass funnel over the china dish. Okay, student, and here we become locked with the grease, and here also we become lock their mouth with the water. Question is why? Because when we become heat the substance, then gas become released from the hole. That's why we become lock their mouth. After that, student, we start to heat the mixture. When we start to heat the mixture, then a white fume develop inside the funnel. Okay, when fume start to raise, we stop the heating. After that, after few minutes, we can see that the such fume disappear, and a thin layer deposit inside the wall of container. Okay, student. After that, we remove such funnel. Okay, and what you see that you can see that a white layer deposit inside the wall of funnel. So with the help of knife, we scratch the powder into the china dish. Question is, what is this? This is the camphor. This is the camphor. So students, see, means first camphor that change from solid to gas, and after that when it become condensed, deposit on the wall of container. Means solid to gas and gas to solid without change to the liquid form. So student, this is the sublimation process. Okay, so with the help of such technique, we separate a sublime substance from non-sublime substance. Here student, NaCl is the non-sublime substance and camphor is the sublime substance. Clear? So student, these are the some technique by the solid mixture. With the help of such technique, we become separate solid from solid. Student, next topic is separation of solid liquid mixture. Means when one thing is the solid, one is the liquid. How become separate? But remember student, such technique, sedimentation and decantation become used in such technique in which solid already insoluble in water. Mud and water, chalk powder and water, sand and water, these are the insoluble substance in the water. So student, what we need? Student, in such process we need a beaker, water, sand or mud or chalk powder. See student, what we do that? First we take one beaker. In beaker we take the water and the mud and mix up together. Shake well. Okay, and leave without disturbing 1 hour. After 1 hour, what comes in that? We come see that the solid particle deposit on the base of container. Okay, and the clear liquid become upside. So student, such things, such solid material is known as the sediment, and what we get the upside, this is the supernatant liquid. Clear? So student, what is this process? The settling down of the insoluble heavy solid particles in a solid liquid mixture at the bottom of the container is called sedimentation. It's called sedimentation. Means such process when we mix up the mud and water, shake well, and after that keep without disturbing 1 hour. So when such mud settle on the base and we get the clear liquid, this process is known as the sedimentation. So question is, how we can separate it? How become separate? So student, after that we take one other beaker, put one glass rod, and after that first beaker, the second condition, the second condition beaker, we become start to pour water slowly with the help of glass rod. What comes in that? You can see in that the water coming down in the second beaker. Okay, student, and the mud remain in the first beaker. So this process is known as the decantation. See, the process of pouring the clear supernatant liquid without disturbing the sediment is called decantation. This process, what we can pour the liquid, this process is known as the decantation. So students, these are the some technique. With the help of such technique, we can separate solid from the liquid. So the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.